In this video, we are going to walk you through the assembly process of your new SuperHandy 48-volt power barrow. First, start by opening up and removing the contents from the box. Once everything is unboxed, go ahead and locate the operator's manual. First, let's start by attaching the drive axle on the bucket bracket. Use 4 M8 by 45 bolts and 4 M8 nuts to secure it tightly. Once both sides are secured, next, let's move on to fixing the wheels onto the drive axle. Once the axle key is in place, slide the wheel onto the axle and secure it tightly with an M14 bolt and a cotter pin. Next, let's move on to attaching the support leg onto the bucket bracket. Secure it tightly using 2 M8 by 40 bolts and 2 M8 nuts. Now let's install both handles onto the wheelbarrow. Use 3 M8 by 40 bolts and 3 M8 nuts to secure the connecting plate and the handlebar to the bucket bracket. Once everything is tightly secured to the bucket bracket, next install the battery cover. Use the provided zip ties to fasten the cable to the handlebar. Lastly, install a battery, and you are now ready to use your new wheelbarrow.